Hi everyone, welcome back to On Target with Archer. I'm Stacy Bresler, Managing Partner at Archer Energy Solutions, and today we're going to continue our December series on building your 2026 Cybersecurity Awareness Calendar. So far, we have talked about why you need a calendar and how to choose the right topics. Now let's focus on something that makes or breaks the entire program, and that is designing activities that people will actually engage with. We all know what happens when training is boring. People tune out, they click through, or they forget the material the moment they finish. Awareness shouldn't feel like a compliance obligation. It should feel relevant, practical, and yes, even sometimes interesting. A good awareness program is going to use variety. Not everything has to be a long training module. In fact, many of the most effective activities are short, focused, and easy to absorb. Think 5-minute toolbox talks, quick hallway reminders, or short video messages that highlight one actionable tip. These small touches reinforce habits far more effectively than a single annual marathon training session ever would. And for OT environments, activities should be built around the reality of field operations. A control room operator does not need the same content as a corporate analyst. A field technician doesn't benefit from examples that only apply to office staff. If you want engagement, give people scenarios that look and feel like their day-to-day work. Interactive activities also go a very long way. Tabletop simulations, brief drills, phishing exercises, or find the risk walkthroughs make security feel tangible. Even simple discussions during shift changes can get teams thinking about security in a real, practical way. Tone matters as well, just as much as the format. Keep the message straightforward, respectful, and free of jargon. People pay attention when they feel spoken to, not spoken at. And remember, positive reinforcement works. When teams handle something well, highlight it. Celebrate good catches. Encourage people who report suspicious activity. Engagement grows when people feel valued, not scolded. Awareness activities, they don't need to be elaborate to be effective. They just need to be purposeful, relatable, and delivered with consistency. That's it for this episode of On Target with Archer. I'm Stacy Bresler. Thanks for joining me. In our next December episode, we'll talk about how to measure success and keep your 2026 awareness calendar alive all year long. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.